attention. Special yoga classes were conducted by Manavala Kalaimandram from 10-10-2011 to 15-10-2011 for class 9, and certificates were also ensured. Our students felt it was quite useful to keep the mind in peace and improve concentration. Academic achievements. 56 students appeared for the board exam in 2011. We got centum results without any compartment in all subjects as usual. Yes, Hariharan and Sri Aishwarya secured 10 out of 10 and A1 grade in all 5 subjects. J. Soumya secured 9.8 as CGPA. From the academic year 2011-12, semester system is introduced as per the guidelines of Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. Teachers' Day and Awards Day. Teachers' Day and Awards Day were celebrated by Sri Vidyamandir Association, and many of our teachers were awarded as best teachers for their best performance in the annual examination and board examination 2011. Scholarship. Sri Vidyamandir Association has instituted scholarship to the students on the basis of merit cum means to the deserving students. 60 students are getting the benefit this year. Test and examination. After the general examination for class 1 to 10, parents are asked to come to school for discussion about the students' performance and behavior. Kindle high values like kindness, compassion and affection towards all living beings. Karuna Club was inaugurated by Sri Tulitsan Jain, President, Vivekananda Educational Trust and President, Karuna International, Chennai. This year, Vallala Jayanti was celebrated on 12/10/2011 at 9:15 a.m. We collected 600 kg of rice from all our students and sent it to Vallala Ashramam in Neikarapatti. On 2/11/2011, 10 volunteers from Chinmaya Mission visited our school and conducted Gita chanting competition to our school students. Spiritual activities. To develop devotion towards God in our students, some religious activities are organized in our school. On 28/2011, Sri Krishna Jayanti was celebrated in our school. Sweets were distributed to all the students. Vidya Ganapati Pradishtanam Day and Saraswati Puja were celebrated on 12/10/2011. Teachers' Day was celebrated in our school. On 13/1/2012, we celebrated Pongal festival. Science exhibition was conducted on the same day, which was appreciated by all the parents and members of the school management committee. The India of Aryabhatta and Ramanujan has become a country producing commerce and MBA graduates. As a small step to produce more scientists in India, we conduct science exhibition. On 23/8/2011, an eye camp was conducted in our school campus by people from Agarwal Eye Hospital. On 12/11/2011, we celebrated Children's Day in our school. Teachers gave programs and entertained the students. We distributed sweets to all the students. On 2nd August 2011, dental checkup program was conducted. Workshop and seminar. Our school teachers participated faculty-wise workshops organized by Sri Vidyamandir Association Salem 3 and benefited out of it. Principal and 2 teachers attended a seminar at Coimbatore in connection with the Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation Scheme (CCE) introduced by Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. February 2011 at Holy Cross Matriculation Higher Secondary School, 10 of our students participated in written preliminary round. S. Priyadarshini of 9A was invited for city finals. All participants received certificates. All India Camel Color Contest 2010 Appreciation Prize R.V. Daya, UKGB, S. Ragasoumya, UKGC. UC Mass conducted 4th District Level Genius Competition 2011. S. Samyukta Consolation Prize. Bharatiya Sanskrit Jnana Pariksha competition was held in our school. R. Lavanya 6B got 2nd prize and received a cash award of ₹300. Salem Steel Plant Muttamil Mandram conducted various literary competitions on 19/11/2011. V. Koparindevi of 10A, 3rd prize in Tamil art article. S. Priyadarshini 10A, 3rd prize in Tamil essay writing. To welcome the worshipful mayor of our Salem Corporation, Sri Soundapanji, to our campus. The Scout troop of our school was established in the year 1997. Every year the Scouts attend Scout camps at various levels. The Scouts are rigorously trained for the Rajya Prakash have successfully passed in